Hey guys, Rosie156 here and Chris Cleo 160, and today we're gonna do talking Morse code and animal dreams. Yeah, say hi to the crystal.
Hi.
My gosh, someone sort of told me that this was hard. What? I don't understand this. There's a dot, space dot, upside down face, slash, dot, slash.
Oh my gosh, I have to look at my robot so much.
Don't give out personal information.
It's not personal. It's just my rooming needs to clean.
True. I would help you, but I can't go to your house.
I really wish you can.
Oh my gosh, I just lost track. So, what? Okay, there. Oh my gosh, all I did was say butter is majestic. This is crazy.
What?
The thing I just said, I'm speaking Morse code. Apparently, someone should know how to speak Morse code.
I do. Want me to show you how?
Fine.
I'm going to say I know how.
What the heck?
See?
Translate. I knew that was it. I just knew it. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that. I was here on Morse code. So please.
I just set it up there. I said of course. Wait, are we allowed to copy and paste up there?
No.
Oops.
What did you do?
I copied and pasted the Morse code.
Apparently the thing I just said was like, where did you go?
I went to forest, but is that okay that it just copied the Morse code up there?
Okay.
Is that okay? Or,
Yeah,
or is
it's
it
okay
against
with
the
me. So where are you?
forest?
So I'm gonna be sleeping. So how do you say Z? Translate. Oh my gosh, it's just repeating stuff. Okay. Wait, that was 2 commas. I'm pretty sure no one knows what I'm saying. That was Z, which kind of stands for sleep, which is just spamming this. Not that much.
I'm copying another Morse.
Okay, you don't have to say you're copying it, you know.
I know, I'm just saying, for some reason. Do you know what I said?
No.
You should know what I said.
I'm about to say, can anyone understand me? Which apparently is true. Can at least someone understand me?
I'm going to say, yes, I do. I'm going to say, yes, I do. We'll put the link of this thing in the description. I'll put the link of this place, this website in the description. We really like it. Did you say it?
Say what?
Did you say what you were saying?
Not yet. It's very long. Apparently.
Oh, you can just copy and paste it.
No, I'm on my iPad. Yes, I do have an iPad.
No good. Okay, I'm done. I have to clean my room.
Stop it. No one wants to hear that.
Why? I will.
I know I'm still your friend.
What?
This is taking so long. Why is Morse code so long?
You should just pull up the website on your computer by going on the thing that I sent you. Or I could just send you
I'm
it.
trying to figure this out.
I'm just gonna send you it.
No, don't you dare.
Fine.
Oh, this is so hard. Wait, crap. I'm always losing where I am because I'm looking up. Dot dots. This just looks like a bunch of stuff here.
Did you say it?
I said, can anyone understand me?
I don't see it, but I'm just gonna do that. Did you see it?
No. Actually, I don't see. Oh my gosh. It's a scroll.
They don't see us. They don't see anything we're saying.
Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video because this is gonna be very long. This is gonna be very. You wanna know what I'm about to say?
What?
Invalid, careless, in translation. Translate. Ah. See. Translate. Well, that just sucks then.
I have a messy room. I gotta clean it up.
Okay, apparently it doesn't let me do like. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. This is gonna take too long. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video for like I go for 10 minutes. Type in YouTube. My
I did.
gosh. Just,
Why do you need me to anyway?
because I was gonna finish with the finale, but for some reason it doesn't work. So then. I'm gonna make you. Well, if I could just say crap. Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
I said can back.
Okay, that's good. Everything is inappropriate.
What does?
I'm speaking Morse code.
Animal Jam does?
Okay, so I just said crap.
What does that mean? What did you say?
I said crap in Morse code. So yeah, epic fail Morse code at the second last one. So yeah.
I said, wow, what did I miss?
Bye. Bye guys. See you in the next video. This is pretty boring. I don't even know what. I can't even understand what I'm saying. Bye.